So today I'm gonna be doing a video. This is a whole different thing for the channel. I'm in school for HVAC right now, and I got down on this pretty much. Drawing a wiring schematic for an AC condenser. So basically, if you want to learn how everything works and goes and how to draw it, this is how it's gonna go. So this is your high voltage, and this is your low voltage. These right here are your contactor coils. So this will be terminal 1 and terminal 2. If you're HVAC tech, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So terminal 1's gonna go to your what is this, common. This is common, start, run, and these are the windings between those. That's for the compressor. This is for condenser fan motor. Again, common, start, run. So basically terminal 1 is gonna go to common, and then from that same terminal is going to go to common as well for your condenser fan motor, because you have wires for this and this, usually like 3 each or something like that. Hence, you know, why there's 3 points, 3 wires. So basically your run on your compressor is going to go to your terminal 2. Your start is also going to go to your terminal 2. Your run on your condenser fan motor, go to terminal 2. Terminal 1, like I said, will go to common, and then start is going to come back as well to terminal 2. And right here, well, you see your capacitor. So these are your terminals on the capacitor. So 1 and 2, and that's pretty much how you do it. Down here is like so this is your fan relay and your contactor coil. This will be from your thermostat, goes into what your furnace will be. So right here will be heating. That's why it's not in there, because this is for the condenser only. But this will be wired as well for your furnace. This is your cooling, right? That's why it goes to your contactor coil, which goes into your compressor. Your fan relay, which goes into condenser fan motor. That's what G stands for. Red is for power, by the way. And these are your switches in there, which are operated by temperature, things like that. So that's pretty much what this small little video is about, is how to draw a wiring schematic for your outdoor condenser unit and how it works too. So not just drawing it, but if you're looking to wire one up, this is pretty much how it'll go. Terminal 1 on your contactor, terminal 2 on your contactor, and then how your start will be wired up to your your capacitor, and the same thing for that condenser fan motor, and your run will also go to that as well, because this will have common, fan, and herm will be listed on the capacitor itself. So that can also give you a better look at that too. But yeah, that's pretty much, again, how to do it. I'm still learning this stuff too. I'm in no way a professional at this, but I thought I would share my thoughts with the people who are just getting into HVAC, since I've been in it for a while now. I think I graduate in like 3 months. So I'm just giving y'all pretty much the game on this stuff right here. This is a troubleshooting module that we're in, and this is how it goes. So like, comment, subscribe, and we out.